Kindly subscribe this channel for more educational content. Waltzing Matilda, written by Banjo Paterson in 1895. Waltzing Matilda, once a jolly swagman camped by a billabong, under the shade of a coolibah tree, and he sang as he watched and waited, till his billy boiled, "You'll come a waltzing Matilda, with me, waltzing Matilda, you'll come a waltzing Matilda, with me," and he sang as he watched and waited, till his billy boiled, "You'll come a waltzing Matilda, with me." Down came a jumbuck to drink at the billabong, up jumped the swagman and grabbed him with glee, and he sang as he stowed that jumbuck in his tucker bag, "You'll come a waltzing Matilda, with me, waltzing Matilda, you'll come a waltzing Matilda, with me," and he sang as he watched and waited, till his billy boiled, "You'll come a waltzing Matilda, with me." Up rode the squatter, mounted on his thoroughbred, down came the troopers, 1, 2, 3, "Where's that jolly jumbuck you've got in your tucker bag? You'll come a waltzing Matilda, with me, waltzing Matilda, you'll come a waltzing Matilda, with me," and he sang as he watched and waited, till his billy boiled, "You'll come a waltzing Matilda, with me." Up jumped the swagman and sprang into the billabong, "You'll never take me alive," said he, "and his ghost may be heard as you pass by that billabong. You'll come a waltzing Matilda, with me, waltzing Matilda, you'll come a waltzing Matilda, with me," and he sang as he watched and waited, till his billy boiled, "You'll come a waltzing Matilda, with me." Meaning of keywords: waltzing Matilda, slang for traveling with one's belongings. Matilda refers to the swag or blanket. Swagman, a traveling laborer carrying his belongings in a swag. Billabong, a waterhole or pond. Coolibah tree, a type of eucalyptus tree. Billy, a tin can used for boiling water. Jumbuck, a sheep. Tucker bag, a food bag. Squatter, a wealthy landowner. Troopers, police officers. Summary of Waltzing Matilda. Waltzing Matilda is one of Australia's most famous folk songs, written by Banjo Paterson in 1895. The poem tells the story of a swagman, a traveling worker, who camps by a billabong, a waterhole. While resting, he catches a stray jumbuck, sheep, and hides it in his bag. However, the squatters, wealthy landowners, and troopers, police, arrive to arrest him for stealing. Rather than being captured, the swagman jumps into the billabong and drowns. His ghost is said to haunt the area, forever singing the song's refrain. Key themes: struggle and survival. The swagman represents the working-class battler who tries to make a living in harsh conditions. Social inequality. The contrast between the poor swagman and the wealthy squatters highlights class divisions in colonial Australia. Freedom versus authority. The swagman chooses death over surrender, symbolizing resistance against oppression. Australian identity. The poem captures the spirit of independence, hardship, and resilience in the Australian outback. Interpretation: though Waltzing Matilda is a simple folk song, it has deeper meanings about injustice, defiance, and the struggles of ordinary people. It became an unofficial national anthem of Australia, representing the country's cultural identity and history. This folk song tells the tragic yet defiant story of an outback wanderer, and it remains one of Australia's most iconic cultural pieces. Viewer, kindly subscribe this channel. Share this video to your pioneers. Comment your feedback. Thank you for watching.